Did you miss me? I'm so sorry that I haven't made a new This Goth Can Cook video in quite a bit of time, but I have a good reason. You see, I've been busy starting my new beef jerky empire. Wow! That's right, beef jerky. Why beef jerky? Hell if I know. One day, woke up, said, you know what? I want to make beef jerky and sell it to people. So it took me about 6 months of research and experimenting with various recipes until I got it just right. Sheer perfection if you ask me. Now, while doing my research on the perfect beef jerky recipe, I found that there was an online feud between those who like beef jerky that's cut against the grain and those that prefer that the beef is cut with the grain. Against the grain, it provides a crumbly kind of texture and easily falls apart. When you cut the meat with the grain, it creates more of a chewy, long-lasting type of beef jerky. Think of like mozzarella sticks, how they peel with the grain. Same concept with the beef jerky. So I took weeks and weeks and weeks trying to figure out what should I do, with the grain or against the grain? With the grain or against the grain? So I figured, why not against the grain and with the grain? The best of both worlds. That way there's something for everybody. Now, I must say that the process to make beef jerky from the raw piece of meat to the finished product is a very lengthy process with lots of individual steps along the way. It's not just throwing some beef into an oven for a couple of hours. No. You have to cut your meat, you have to prepare your marinate the meat, and then you have to dehydrate it. So, let me show you how this very lengthy but yet satisfying process is done. Follow me to the kitchen, will you? Let's go.
24 hours later.
Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Good. So with the process fully done, it took me another 6 months to develop the brand and the marketing strategy for my beef jerky. Because I am going into the beef jerky business, believe it or not. Or it's more of a This Goth Can Cook merchandise kind of perk as well. And with all of that said, over a year's worth of hard work, may I introduce to you Wolfman Snack. This, ladies and gentlemen, and all my dear Gothlings, is my personal brand of beef jerky, the original recipe. The concept behind Wolfman Snacks is, well, what's a werewolf to do when it's not that special time of the lunar cycle? I mean, still gets hungry. So, in comes Wolfman Snacks to satiate that howling hunger within. Wolfman Snacks. It is available to purchase online and in stores. The link is below. Way more information on wolfmansnacks.com. Big beef jerky empire I'm starting here. So now, you'll have to excuse me. I have to get back in the kitchen because my next beef jerky project is Cajun spice flavor. Oh, and one last thing. I want to personally thank my guinea pigs over at PJ Clark's Bar here in Manhattan. A special shout out goes to Liam, Manny, Gabrielle, Rex, Andrew, Alex, and Drew. Thanks guys, I couldn't have done it without you, and I hope that the hospital visits weren't too much financial strain on you. See you in the dark!